Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech George. So today I will be doing the unboxing of a new laptop which I bought like it's Acer 5. So it's having an i5 processor with 8th generation and 1 TB of HDD, no SSDs about it, and it has Type C converter, so which is a good thing about it because no new laptops doesn't have this Type C. So I will be doing the unboxing of this laptop because many people had told me and commented in my next other videos like you should do an unboxing of a laptop, so I'm going to do it. So let's start. So let's open this laptop. Okay, so we are opening this laptop right now. So see, there is one more box inside a box. So it's a box inside a box. So let's open this thing up. So let's do it. It's open. So you can see this is a laptop. It has some paperwork in it, nothing important. Let's first have a look at those things which is inside it. So this is a USB connector, it's a power dock, and this is a volt ampere battery, and it says it has 60 watt battery. Is not much, but it's okay, it will be 7 hours. So this is a laptop which we have got. Oh, there are more paperworks. You can see their warranty and all those things with it. So this is a laptop. You can see how premium it looks. It's made up of plastic, but it's polycarbon plastic, which is better than any other plastic you can see. And you can see it's written, there's a bold thing Aspire written on the top of it. And you can see there's a carbon coil, copper one, for the heating system. Like there's a fan, and if it gets hot then you can use just this fan, it will cool it out. And this is a slot for 1 TB. Like you can upgrade this RAM, so you just say it's easily you can accessible. You can change this hard disk, and this is RAM, 2 slots for RAM.